students, this is Aarti's Ragbag. In this video, we are gonna untie a common confusion which all of us face in our daily lives. That's nothing but the difference between the and the. Actually, these two are the different pronunciations of the article the. So where do we use the and where do we pronounce the article as the? So in this video, we are gonna untie this common confusion. So without much further delay, let's get into the video. The first pronunciation which we are going to look at today is nothing but the. So what are the rules for pronouncing the article as the? The word which is placed after the article should begin with a vowel as well as it should have a vowel sound. For example, the apple. In this sentence, the apple is the word and the article used before this should be pronounced as the because the word starts with the vowel A and as well as the pronunciation belongs to the vowel A, that is apple. So in these kinds of situations, we are supposed to pronounce the article as the. Now let's look into the second rule. The second rule is nothing but the word can also begin with the consonant but the pronunciation should be of a vowel. For example, R. In this particular word, the word begins with the consonant H but the pronunciation is of a vowel. If we keenly observe it, we'll be able to identify it. R. So in this particular word, the pronunciation is of a vowel. Therefore, we are supposed to use the before this word. So in these kinds of situations, we should avoid the and only the should be used. Now we have come to the third rule of the. This is the most interesting of all. That is nothing but the emphatic the. We use this when we want to put emphasis on a certain subject or word in a sentence. So first let us know what is emphasizing. Emphasizing is nothing but putting importance or stress on a certain subject so that the listener pays more attention towards that particular word. So this is what is meant by emphasizing. In such cases, the article that is used before the word should be certainly pronounced as the. For example, I saw the dodo yesterday. In this particular example, dodo is the word on which the speaker is applying more stress. Therefore, the article used before that particular word should be pronounced as the. I saw the dodo yesterday. The reason for applying more stress on this word is nothing but the dodo. The dodo is an extinct bird because no one has seen it for many years. Therefore, it is considered to be extinct. But the speaker is trying to express that he or she has seen it before a few days. So he wants the listener to get shocked or surprised. So this is the motto of the speaker. When we emphasize something, in such cases, we want to make use of the pronunciation the. So these are the three rules which we have to follow or keep in mind when we use the pronunciation the. Now let's jump into the. The rules for using the are just opposite to that of the. The first rule is the word which is used after the article should begin with a consonant and it should have a consonant sound. For example, the door was closed yesterday. In this particular example, door is the subject on which the sentence is based and the article which is placed before it should be pronounced as the because the word starts with the consonant D as well as it has the consonant pronunciation door. So this is why we are using the in this situation. The second rule is the word can also begin with a vowel but the pronunciation should be of a consonant. For example, the eucalyptus tree. In this particular example, in the particular word eucalyptus, it starts with the vowel E but the pronunciation belongs to the consonant Y. If we observe keenly, we will be able to identify it. Eucalyptus. So the pronunciation is of the consonant Y. Therefore, we are supposed to use the in this situation. The eucalyptus tree. So these are the rules followed when we use the pronunciation the. So I hope you will find this video helpful and let's meet up in the next video. Thank you.